Hi, today I'm going to talk about the art of letting go. The art of letting go. See, in day-to-day activities, we 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 came across many situations, and both maybe the positives or negatives came across more. We are meeting peoples, and a lot of events is happening around us, right? And a lot of informations we are gathering from our own mind and outside also through medias, magazines. So many, our brain, small little brain is bombarded with so many informations, right? So our brain is also is like a memory card in the mobiles, right? How much capacity storage, only that much it can accommodate. Okay. If you bombarded with so much beyond its capacity, over the period of time the efficiency or function of the brain also will 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 get affected. uh, so so how to do so? That's why people call it, tension, depression is nothing but we are giving too much workload, but the capacity of that, what you call a machine or something. I'm not saying brain is a machine, but it's simply more like a, hardware, the system. It's similar to the systems I'm comparing. So so how to, in those, in these times of negative informations, events, and so many things happening around us, how to keep our mind calm and composed. We are even for social medias we are reacting very fast, right? Yeah, even for one comments or something, we are frustrated easily and react. Our reaction time is so much nowadays. So it's a very, it's a very important thing to, as a uh, young people and the future generations, we need to look out this point. If you observe the old people, old people, they will have that, they won't take any decisions, not only the major decisions, even the small little things they will take time for themselves, aware, observe the situations and people around them, and then they react to that. Now maybe we people think like we are more educated. It's not that we have educated, we are just gathered a pile of informations. It's not like it's just like a library books of libraries we are gathering, but only few people have that subtle feeling or a sensitivity. Everybody have responsibilities, we have so many responsibilities, but are we sensible and sensitive at the same time while doing our duties as a citizen or responsible people? So how to be sensitive and sensible? So that's where our emotions play an important role. Nowadays that emotional intelligence is playing a major part in our life. So how to take care of our emotions and how to deal with that? For that I have framed one workshop for mainly for teenage people, 18 plus, those who are in the teenagers. And for those people I have formulated this emotional intelligence workshop. So in that we will be learning a lot of life skills, how to deal with the people, how to deal with the environment around them, and how they can accept and accommodate in the society, you know, then only we can move forward in life. Okay, so I have been teaching this workshop for the past 2 to 3 years, and I myself has conduct few workshops, and the response was really very good. And since many people requested to take it to the virtual platform, right now I am offering online group classes as well as one-to-one private classes also. Those who are interested, you can see the descriptions below, and more details on the class you can see and check my links below. And you can also touch me in my WhatsApp number, that also given in the description. And if you have any questions or comments regarding this program, you can always get back to me, or you can just leave a comment below. I'll reply to you. Okay, thank you so much.